Okay, so we're in Burbage Edge, second time round. Came a couple of weeks ago, weather was awful, but the weather's quite nice now. Still a bit of wind, not as bad as it was. May have a go at flying FPV, may not, depends how busy it is. We'll just have to have a look. Pretty quiet just here, which is rather nice. Anyway, let's get moving. Oh, great, mud. It's a good start, isn't it? Won't stop me though. Well, that's been a lot of fun. Done a bit of FPV, took in a few photos, nice and quiet. But now the temperature's just dropped. It's got really, really cold. So I'm heading back home. That's this way.